everyone, and welcome back to Crochet Delight. I'm Barbara, and welcome back to a unboxing video. So, before we get started on opening up our Darn Good Yarn subscription box, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it. So, I have seen a lot of reviews for the Darn Good Yarn box. I did not know that it was only $10 plus shipping and handling. So for me, it's approximately $14. That's no big deal. That's a reasonable price for how small the box is. I mean, it's a pretty good size. I mean, look, it's about the same size as my head. So it's a pretty good size box, especially for a yarn subscription box. Now, apparently, from some of the review videos that I've seen, it is supposed to be the type of subscription box where they have box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4, and so on. And the day that you buy your box, the first box will ship out really fast, and you will be charged every month on the day that you bought your first box, and that's when your subscription will renew. Now, the one thing that nobody is telling you is if you rather pay with PayPal rather than linking your card to something, Darn Good Yarn allows that for the subscription box, and that is super surprising. My Fiber of the Month kit, I didn't see that option at all. It didn't even have that option anywhere. I mean, I can probably pay with my PayPal at any point, but for the subscription boxes, you do not see that you can pay for a subscription box with your PayPal, and it will automatically be renewed through your PayPal. So for me, I like that option very much because PayPal tends to send you a email of your purchase, so you get a receipt, not only from the people that you're buying whatever it is you're buying from, but PayPal gives you a receipt every time you buy something, so you know how much you've spent. And it's not a, oh, did I remember to do this? Or, oh, I didn't know that charged to my account. I must have forgot about the subscription. No, you'll get notified because you can actually pay for your subscription box with your PayPal for Darn Good Yarn. And no, I did not show you guys my address. That is not there. That's on this side. So, don't worry, Ma. Nobody knows our address. And this is getting pretty hot. Ow. We've got the stove going today. It is cold out. It's snowing. Actually, I think it stopped snowing about an hour ago. We had about 2 feet. But I have not opened this. I am going to. And we are actually going to be reviewing what this is inside, and we are going to determine whether or not it's a good value for $10. And I'm excited and very nervous at the same time because you don't know what you're going to get, even though others have said that it's box 1, 2, 3, and so on. It's not like my Fiber box where when you subscribe that month, you get that month, or if you subscribe at the end of the month, you get the next box. No, this is supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that. So I'm very, very nervous, and I'm gonna open that up. And I saw a little glimpse, but you guys are getting the very first peek at it. Ooh. I did not open the box at all. Didn't see it. I gave you guys the first peek. I bought a mystery item for $5, and that's this right here. I like the colors. It's very soft. It feels like cotton. And they have a little tag right here. So this is a worsted weight roving silk yarn, Crimson Fire. They show you, I'll show you right here. They show you what size number 4. They give you the knitting needle and the hook size. So this is a roving yarn. It's a very mini hank, which for a mystery item, that actually is very good. It's a decent size, it's a decent sample, and ooh, it smells really nice. It smells like, not fabric softener, something close. It's a little flowery, and I like that. Let's see. Nothing on the inside of the card. Alrighty, so, yeah. My dad's fixing his radiator in his truck, so apparently he needed to get warm because it is cold out, and that's why the dog went off. So, with the next item, this is the yarn that I've seen that everybody's gotten for their first box. So this is box 1. This is the very first box. This is, let's see, another silk roving. It's called Watercolors. It's worsted weight, and they suggest a 4 to 5 millimeter or 7 to 9 US knitting needle, or a crochet hook of the size 5.5 to 6.5 millimeters, or an I to a K. So this is definitely not enough to do something with other than to practice knitting or crocheting or maybe make a little flower, something like that. But with both of these together, they don't really go together, so I'm going to probably make something with this and then make something completely different with this. So this is what you get in your box. I just had a mystery item added to the box, so that's that, but it's very nice. I love the colors. So let's get that up there for you guys. It's very bright. I think it's more of a rainbow than a watercolor, but it might be just how it fades into each color. That might be why they called it a watercolor. But just so that you guys can see the information about this yarn, which this is something new that I've seen in other reviews, is that they are trying to make sure everything has a tag. Because I've seen plenty of these subscription box reviews where this yarn was all over the place and there was no tag and just chaos. So far, it's a very, very decent box. So hopefully you got the information off of that tag in case you guys want to get some. And another thing that I just found out, they do sell some spinning stuff. I saw a silk and banana silk blend on there. Don't know if it's worth it. I'm not going to try it. I'm going to stick with the box. They give you a little pamphlet of your Darn Good Yarn of the Month kit. So I'm definitely going to be looking over that. They give you a little bit of a history what should be in your box, and there's even a pattern in here. So I'm gonna look over that. And the one thing that I was glad to see was in the box, because I think someone in one of the reviews way back didn't get these. It's a pair of knitting needles and a crochet hook. And let's see if I can get them out without... There we go. They actually look really nice. So there's their little tag, Darn Good Yarn, and they're held in place. So let me see if I can get one of them out. Since I'm a crocheter, I'm gonna get the crochet hook out. It's a nice metallic purple that looks like it's been sprayed on to a little wooden piece. And it doesn't say what's... Oh wait, it does inside the box. Let's see. Okay, I think the knitting needles are the size 8. Lucas, be good. But it looks like what they've stated is that they're all a 5mm or an 8. And wow, it's actually a really good value, because from what it says right here is this little set of knitting needles and a hook is $20. But if you get your very first Darn Good Yarn subscription box, you get them for $10. $10 with a little thing of yarn. And you even get a pattern in here. So, and if you throw in an extra $5, you get a mystery item. So this is what I got in my box. I'm pretty happy with it. This smells really nice, and it's really soft. I don't know what kind of silk this is, but since I have the name of it, if it's not in the pamphlet, I'm going to go back on Darn Good Yarn website and I'm going to look and see if I can find what kind of silk that is, but it's softer than this yarn. This is really soft too, and it smells really good too. It's not an overwhelming flowery smell, but it's enough to know that it's clean. So I'm happy with my first box. I can't wait to see what's in next month's. So for me, this is March. This would be my March kit, and I won't be charged. Actually, no, this is my February kit, since I ordered it on the 28th of February. So on the 28th of this month, I should be getting another box, and I'm hoping it ships out just as fast, because what is this, only the 3rd? Today that I'm filming it is Monday the 3rd of March, and I ordered it February 28th, which there were only 28 days in February this year. So that's really, really fast. Probably just as fast as my Fiber of the Month kit. Just about. And you get a great value for your hooks and your needles and your yarn and a pattern with your very first kit. I think it's worth it to stick around and get quite a few more boxes, because I'm just interested in seeing what comes next, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be practicing my knitting with that, because I just picked up my knitting needles about a week ago, maybe a little less than a week ago. So these are perfect for practicing. And that's probably what I'm going to do with a lot of the yarn from Darn Good Yarn. I might crochet something with it. I don't know yet. I have nothing planned for it. But that's it. I'm happy with it so far. Can't wait to see what's in the next one. I've seen a lot of reviews, so I don't know which one is box 2 or 3 or whatever. So it's definitely going to be a mystery for me. So that is it, and if this little thing will cooperate, which I think I have to turn it on and off again, then I will see you guys next time. You guys should be seeing this video, let's see, Wednesday night. I have a video tomorrow. Well, for me, it's tomorrow. For you guys, it was yesterday. And you guys will be seeing a tutorial. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next unboxing, which would be my Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month kit. So, see you guys next time. Have a delightful day, and happy hooking!